Welcome to the Case Study Learning Series in International Business by Skilled MBA. In this case, we analyze the proposed acquisition of U.S. Steel by Nippon Steel, highlighting the strategic, political, and national security dynamics at play in a cross-border merger within a sensitive industry. This slide introduces the two companies. United States Steel, founded in 1901, is a historic symbol of American industrial power. Nippon Steel Corporation, NSC, is Japan's largest steelmaker, actively seeking global market access through strategic acquisitions. Offer made. NSC officially approaches U.S. Steel with an acquisition offer. Terms negotiated. Deal structure, financials, and integration details are discussed. Board approval. U.S. Steel's board votes in favor of the proposal. Regulatory review. The acquisition enters a review by CFIUS, the Committee on Foreign Investment in the United States. Financial benefits. Shareholders gain through a premium offer. Technological synergies. NSC's advanced steelmaking processes can enhance operations. Global market access. Entry into NSC's international network strengthens U.S. Steel's competitiveness. Competitive position. The deal enhances U.S. Steel's standing in the global steel industry. U.S. market entry. Direct access to the world's second-largest steel market. Manufacturing. Footprint. Leverage existing U.S. Steel plants. Brand acquisition. Gain a respected American industrial legacy. Growth strategy. Advance NSC's global expansion beyond Japan. Job security concerns. Workers fear plant closures and layoffs. National security. Objections based on foreign control of critical steel production. Labor agreements. Concerns about contract continuity and employee rights. The union becomes a vocal opponent of the acquisition. CFIUS purpose. Screens foreign investments for national security concerns. Investigation process. Involves a detailed risk analysis. Approval power. Has the authority to approve, modify, or block deals. Presidential authority. The President may intervene in specific cases. Defense applications. Steel is used in military vehicles and weaponry. Critical infrastructure. Integral to bridges, pipelines, and buildings. Supply chain security. Focus on domestic production versus foreign dependency. Economic security. Concern over loss of manufacturing self-sufficiency. Democratic position. Emphasis on worker rights, union protections, and local jobs. Republican position. Focused on national security and preserving U.S. control. Bilateral relations. Importance of the U.S.-Japan alliance and trade cooperation is weighed. Company foreign buyer. Year outcome, Qualcomm Broadcom, Singapore. 2018, blocked by CFIUS Smithfield Foods, Shuanghui, China. 2013, approved Magnachip Wise Road, China. 2021. Blocked by CFIUS precedents show mixed outcomes depending on national security and political pressure. To understand the strategic landscape, we begin with the global steel production context. As shown in the chart, China overwhelmingly dominates the industry, producing over 1,000 million metric tons of steel annually, far surpassing all other countries. Following China, India, Japan, the United States, and Russia trail with significantly lower outputs, each producing under 150 million metric tons. This stark contrast not only highlights China's massive influence, but also emphasizes the competitive pressure and supply chain dynamics faced by other global players. Understanding this context is essential when evaluating market opportunities, trade policies, and future growth strategies within the steel sector. Shareholders. Support the deal for its financial benefits. Employees. Concerned about job loss and contract terms. Government. Reviewing implications on industrial strategy and security. Communities. Local economies worry about plant closures and reduced investment. Japanese business culture, hierarchical, consensus-driven, and long-term focused. American business culture, direct communication, quarterly results, and autonomous decision-making. Integration may face management, communication, and alignment challenges. Full approval. CFIUS clears the deal, integration begins. Conditional approval. Additional terms imposed, oversight added. Rejection. Deal is blocked. U.S. Steel explores other options. NSC looks elsewhere. Cross-border complexity. Global acquisitions face political and regulatory friction. Stakeholder management. Companies must manage unions, regulators, shareholders, and customers. National security impacts. Strategic industries draw heightened scrutiny. Political dimensions. Business strategy increasingly intersects with geopolitics and public policy. Thank you for engaging with this case in the Case Study Learning Series in International Business by Skilled MBA. This acquisition reflects the complex web of international business, security, and regulation, reminding us that strategy must be aligned with both global opportunity and local sensitivities.